With over 5.45 billion people online, network operators face the ongoing challenge of keeping everyone connected, whether in a city or a rural town. The last mile, where your network reaches the customer, often feels like the hardest mile. Urban areas may have infrastructure, but face congestion, while remote areas require covering longer distances with fewer resources. Presenting HFCL's last-mile solutions that tackle network challenges head-on, delivering top-tier connectivity at every level. Our comprehensive range of last-mile solutions features high-quality optical fiber cables, including the 2-12F Unitube polycarbonate polyethylene microcable, 12-24F Unitube drop-blown cable, 1-4F outdoor-indoor flat-drop cable, and 4-24F flat-drop aerial cable, all meticulously engineered for excellence. With high durability and installation flexibility, these cables are the backbone of seamless connectivity. Designed for diverse environments, our cables can be deployed underground within microducts, aerially, ensuring efficient and cost-effective installations. With HFCL's passive optical networking components, network operators can seamlessly scale and upgrade their networks without disrupting existing infrastructure. Our fiber termination boxes and fiber access terminal boxes ensure seamless last-mile connectivity. These compact solutions simplify installation and maintenance, supporting straightforward network expansions. For network efficiency, our wall and rack mount fiber distribution boxes houses either bare or LGX cassette or ABS box type splitters, thereby ensuring superior cable management. HFCL's outdoor PCS portfolio, including drop cable assemblies and aerial accessories, provide flexible configurations ideal for last-mile applications. Our fiber patch cords ensure reliable signal transmission and high-performance networking with low insertion loss and minimal attenuation. Completing our suite are the dome and flat-type joint closures, which guarantee secure, long-lasting fiber splicing with IP68 rated waterproofing and UV-resistant materials. Safety is central to our design. Our passive connectivity solutions and optical fiber cables offer robust features like moisture protection and fire resistance, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging conditions. At HFCL, our commitment goes beyond the present. Our last-mile solutions are engineered for future scalability, allowing easy upgrades without major overhauls. Ultimately, it's about delivering a great customer experience. No buffering, no drop-offs, just smooth internet. With HFCL's last-mile solutions, you can make that happen.